below there is your favorite apps like Photos, Appstore, Voice Memo, Emoji, Music, or any other app is missing on your iPhone's keyboard. If apps are missing from your iPhone's keyboard, it may be due to a few reasons. But with these 3 ways, you can solve your problem. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Reset the keyboard layout. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset. Tap Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Solution 2. Check if the app is enabled on the keyboard. First, go to Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Keyboard, scroll down, turn on Emoji stickers, keyboards, and make sure the app is listed and toggled on. Also, enable all the settings from here. Quickly after that, open your Message app. Try to type something. Now, if you see it's still missing, tap the App Store icon. After that, your apps will start to show up. If none of the above steps works, please comment below. Thanks for watching.